Hi boys and girls, please put your name at the top of your math paper. This week we are going to be learning a strategy called doubles. Last week we learned about counting on, and you guys did a really great job learning how to do that. Doubles is a different strategy where you have two numbers that are the same and you're adding them together. So, for example, you have two apples on the first circle, and if you double it, then you would draw two apples in the second circle. Then I would count all of those up. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. So when we have our doubles facts memorized, we're able to add more quickly because we don't have to count all of them. We just know what they are. So on the second one, we have 7 leaves. So draw 7 leaves on the second bubble. Now I want you to count all of those leaves and tell me how many there are. There's 14. Very good. Now we're going to look at the bees. There's 6 bees in the first bubble, so draw 6 in the second bubble, and then count them all up. How many do you have? Yeah, we have 12. Very good. So 6 plus 6, that's the doubles because the numbers are the same, and that equals 12. Okay, so the next one is 3 plus 3. So we have 3 pairs. Let's draw 3 more and count all of that together. What is that? 6. Very good. Okay, so 8 crayons. Let's do 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now count all of those together. Yeah, it's 16. Very good. Okay, 9 hearts. Draw 9 more. And then count them all together. How many do you have? 18. 5 fish. Let's do 5 more. How many is that? 10. Very good. And the last one is 4. I'm going to do 4 on this side. And 4 plus 4 is 8. So by the end of the week, we should be able to do all of these without having to count, because when we see them, we just recognize them and know the answer. Okay, so let's turn it on the back. Now, a different strategy to do doubles is just to be able to use your number line. So 5 plus 5, we start on 5, do 5 hops. What did we land on? It's 10. Very good. 2, and then we hop 2. What did we land on? 4. 8 plus 8, we start on 8. Let's do 8 hops. And we stopped on 16. Very good. Okay, let's try 9 plus 9. Start on 9, do 9 hops. And we stopped on 18. 10 plus 10. We start on 10 and we do 10 hops. We stopped on what? 20. Good. Now I want you to push pause on the video and finish the last 5 on your own, and then push play and check your answers with me. Okay, so now I want you to check your answers and see if you got them right, and then if you didn't, fix it, and if you did, nice job. So 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 1 plus 1 is 2. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, team, good job today learning about our double strategy for the week. Go ahead and turn this into your teacher and start on what your teacher wants you to do next.